Now, your droids can run on full autopilot, but do you typically see that teams typically keep a human in the loop at some certain part of the workflow?
Yeah, totally dependent on where the droids are slotted in. I'd say like most people are 100% okay with running droids in their CI/CD pipeline for things like code review and QA. They'll run that full auto 100% of the time because they control certain aspects of what it can and can't do. They know the environment. They know exactly how it's locked down. Versus when people are using it on their local laptops, they'll often have a totally different set of controls. And we support native sandboxing and all this other nice stuff that makes it easier to trust. But we usually track what we call the autonomy ratio for all of our customers. And you can definitely see a trend of increased autonomy over time as customers build that trust. But the autonomy ratio is typically 17, 18, 19x, which basically means for every 16, 17, 18 actions made by a droid, there's a human action involved. That could be hitting escape to cancel, it could be queuing a message, it could be shifting the autonomy ratio. Just generally, that means that there's a good degree of autonomy, but like at factory, our autonomy ratio is close to 35. And so,
Hmm.
basically, you could be two times as autonomous if you're running things the way that we're running things. And so we see that being a lot of room to grow for our customers.